choosing a profile on a modified 5x8 Benroy, what I did is measure down from right this corner to here 30 inches, and from there out to here 30 inches, and from here down 30 inches, which gives me 30 by 30 square. And then I have a hole drilled in my steel, my aluminum straight line there, and see here. Come on. And I screwed that in there like that, and then I put a pencil in this hole right here. Put my pencil and drew this line right there. So the next thing I did was I had this is a long one because it's a lot more flexible. I decided how long I want my curve. And this is where it's going to be a modified Benroy. It's not going to be a curve down like this. It's going to be more of a front, like a, one of those boxy ones, but it's going to have more of a loop. And I held this here, had a friend help me hold it, and gave it a little bit of a curve, and then penciled that in. So now what my goal is to, I went around and I kept tapping it. Then I got the end really flush, and I got this bottom part really flush, because remember these aren't, they're not that perfectly cut from the factory. So I got those three sides perfectly flush, and this is off a little bit, but I'll straighten that up. Here it won't matter, because when I cut it, those will be perfect. When I cut that, that'll be perfect. And then when I run my sander around here to smooth it up, it'll all be perfect. And then once we get the profiles cut, then we'll turn them up on the side and screw them down to the deck. So thanks for watching. This is a 5x8 modified Benroy.